everybody, and I want to welcome you to my home, my 1,000 trails, here at Wilderness Lakes in Menifee. Come along. You enter here, check in, and they give you information about the park. You can buy ice up here, propane, and they're here 24 hours in the security station for anything you need. Alright, we're gonna go. It'll be great if I put it in park. I mean, in drive. Where are you leaving today?
You looking for a spot?
Yeah, where are you leaving today?
Pardon me?
Where are you leaving today?
We're leaving as soon as I can get my butt out of here.
Okay.
You need 50 or 30 or
50.
It has,
50,
it
yeah?
has both, yeah.
Okay, that'll be
So,
good. I'll,
Okay.
probably
I'll swing around.
10 or 15 minutes.
No problem, no rush. No
No
rush.
Which one is it? This one here?
No, it's that
Oh,
one
the one
there
right
with the
there.
flagstaff. I
Okay.
gotta come around.
Okay.
This is home. This is our camping spot. It is gravel. It's not too small. It's just perfect size. We do have neighbors. This side of us and behind us. But we have this large area right here so that we can enjoy. And it's just the two of us, so we don't need much space. Hey guys, hopefully you can hear me with my mask on. Social distancing through a campground. Taking a nice stroll. I'm gonna show you around. That's the tent camping area. You can tent camp here. They have a fishing cleaning station. volleyball court, tennis court, or you can play some type of area. Shuffleboard. Alongside the second pool that has a restroom facility. And it's nice and peaceful there. And of horseshoe pits. A ton of horseshoe pits. Back here, there's a volleyball court right there. And if you're feeling fun and have a lot of people to play with, there is a baseball field right there. There is dirt, there's no grass. You can play baseball there. And I guess I assume this was a sort of a playground for kids. Not sure what it was, but that's a jungle gym thingy there. We wanted to have an indoor area with screen so you can just enjoy without bugs. Fitness center. Let's go check it out. It is locked. And this Thousand Trails has a country store. It's closed due to COVID. But they sell things like ice, fishing equipment, beer, soda. They even cook breakfast and lunch here when it's open. Right now it's closed. You can sit and watch the cars go by and the fields and the beautiful view, the mountains, and across the way is a watermelon field. Oh yes, beautiful, delicious watermelon. A basketball court. I'm not sure if you can see what I see, but this is the canal that runs through the park. Through the park. You can fish. There's ducks. Beautiful. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. There's grills out here. Going to grill. Play basketball. And over here they have activities for kids during the week. Just depends with you know what, COVID. Everything is like to the minimum here. Little, call it nature center. We have some information about animals around the area, some lakes around here, a couple museums. This would be a great storytelling area. Tell stories, spooky stories, because there's a campfire area as well. So you can tell some scary campfire stories. Over here we have mini golf. And the good thing about mini golf is there's really hardly ever anyone on it, but you must provide your own clubs for mini golf, your own balls, because they don't provide them. So there is a nice area to do mini golf. I had some kids over there doing mini golf this morning. But the grass is well taken care of, so mini golf can be done pretty good. And then on this side is the first pool. The first pool area. And it gets quite busy here. There's 2 spas. There's a shower room, restrooms. There's an activity center, but it's closed due to COVID. Now the food stand, it's open. We have breakfast, burgers, sandwiches.
Yes.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
All right.
You don't mind being on video, do you?
Oh, well, wait a second. Want it? You're dead or alive?
I'm letting everybody know about the
Oh,
food.
okay.
Yeah. All right. We have a ping pong table. You might have to bring your own ping pongs. But the best thing is the Amazon lockers. You get your Amazon mail all day here. Right across the way is propane. You can fill up your propane tanks. And over in this area is water and air, so you can make sure that your tires are inflated before you leave, and make sure you have water in your tanks before you leave. Good morning. Good morning. There are several different types of cabins you can rent. Little cottages. Some come with porches. Like that one. Bathroom, kitchen, maybe 1 bedroom. Do you have a laundry facility? But this one in the front is under construction. There's 2 laundry facilities here. We have a couple sites that are full-time occupants. They're full-time here in the park, and they own their sites. Up the trails. They do call this the little getaway club VIP area. And they have the little cottages that have little, we'll call these tiny homes. They have lofts. Most likely 1 or 2 bedrooms. A bathroom and a kitchen. And living area. They have nice patios. Decks you can sit out and enjoy. I call this Spider Alley because all the spiders are in the bushes. People rent the cabins and stay in them for the weekend. And this is also another great fishing location. We caught some tilapia on the side. Water. Look like they're full for the weekend. All except one. A nice walking trail. Come and walk. Laundry room. Alright, so this is like the 50 amp set area. And it has mostly larger RVs. In this area here. Most of the sites come with picnic tables. The shower area, a nice little seat, restroom. It's very cool. And here is our home. We have enough room to park the truck. Our seating area. But this is the prime time spots because we have geese and ducks that hang out with us in the mornings, and great fishing location. And yesterday we got to see a geese lay an egg across the way over there on the banks. But got this nice shade tree. That's the back of our RV. And that's our home. Please like and subscribe and follow us on YouTube. Live the good life.
And living the dream.